Have you ever felt that climbing stairs, walking a short distance, or bending down to pick something up isn't as easy as it used to be? Do you experience knee pain, cramps in your calves, or a feeling of heaviness in your legs that disrupts your daily life? If you're over 50, this isn't just aging. It's your body sounding an alarm that it's time to make serious changes to your nutrition. Because when your legs get weak, your freedom, independence, and confidence start to fade. But here's the good news. By adding just a few powerful foods into your diet consistently, you can make your legs strong, active, and pain-free again. In today's video, we'll dive deep into 10 essential foods that every senior should include in their diet to maintain leg strength, bone density, muscle endurance, and healthy circulation. These are not just healthy foods. They're game changers for your mobility and independence. With each food, we'll share science-backed benefits and a simple actionable tip to help you make real changes starting today. 1. Lean proteins, the foundation of muscle strength. As we age, one common problem arises: muscle loss, especially in the legs. Your muscles are your body's engine, and lean protein is the fuel. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: muscle repair and growth, faster recovery, increased strength and endurance. Dikvinkje actionable tip: include 20-30 g of lean protein in each meal. Best sources: chicken breast, eggs, fish, especially salmon, lentils and beans, tofu and tempeh. 2. Calcium, the backbone of bone health. Calcium isn't just for kids. It's essential throughout life, especially in your golden years. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: builds and maintains bone mass, prevents osteoporosis and fractures, aids in muscle contraction. Dikvinkje actionable tip: aim for 1,200 milligrams of calcium daily. Best sources: milk, yogurt, cheese, broccoli, kale, almonds, fortified plant milks. 3. Vitamin D, calcium's best friend. Taking calcium without vitamin D is like filling a car with fuel, but not turning the key. Vitamin D enlève calcium absorption. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: improves calcium absorption, boosts immune function, supports muscle coordination. Dikvinkje actionable tip: get 800 to 1,000 IU daily. Best sources: 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. Salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, fortified dairy, or supplements. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation and boost circulation. Omega-3s are healthy fats that fight joint pain, inflammation, and poor blood flow, all key issues in leg health. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: reduces muscle soreness, eases joint stiffness, improves blood flow to legs. Heavy checkmark actionable tip: consume twice a week. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, fish oil supplements, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts. 5. Antioxidants, the body's internal defense force. Free radicals attack your muscles and joints. Antioxidants protect them, keeping your legs healthy and pain-free. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: protects leg tissues, reduces fatigue, improves blood circulation. Dikvinkje actionable tip: eat at least 5 servings of colorful produce daily. Berries, tomatoes, spinach, carrots, bell peppers, sweet potatoes. 6. Whole grains, fuel for energy and muscle function. Whole grains are loaded with fiber and B vitamins, which keep your energy levels stable and muscles fueled. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: stable blood sugar, long-lasting energy, improved digestion. Dikvinkje actionable tip: switch to whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, barley. 7. Magnesium, prevent cramps and promote muscle relaxation. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax. A deficiency can cause nighttime leg cramps and fatigue. Wide heavy checkmark benefits: prevents muscle spasms, reduces soreness, supports strong bones. Heavy checkmark actionable tip: get 400 milligrams daily from almonds, cashews, pumpkin and sunflower seeds, leafy greens, oats. 8. Potassium, balance, circulation, and cramp prevention. Potassium maintains fluid balance and proper muscle function, both critical for leg health. White heavy checkmark benefits. Prevents cramps and swelling. Regulates blood pressure. Enhances circulation. Heavy checkmark actionable tip. Target 4,700 milligrams daily from bananas, potatoes, oranges, spinach, avocados. 9. B vitamins, energy and nerve health, especially B6, B12, and folate. These vitamins help nerves communicate with your muscles, reducing fatigue and improving balance. White heavy checkmark benefits. Supports energy production. Maintains healthy nerve function. Prevents weakness and tingling. Dickfinke actionable tip. Eat foods like eggs, dairy meat, leafy greens, beans, whole grains. Consider a B-complex supplement if needed. 10. Hydration, the unsung hero of mobility. Dehydration leads to stiff muscles, fatigue, and dizziness, all of which affect how your legs function. White heavy checkmark benefits. Keeps muscles supple. Improves blood flow. Helps transport nutrients. Dickfinke actionable tip. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eat water-rich fruits like cucumbers, melons, oranges. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Closing message. A small change, a big future. Dear seniors, aging is not a weakness. It is a time of wisdom, pride, and legacy. If you want your legs to support you for the rest of your life, start today by adding these foods to your daily diet. Remember, strong legs equals active life equals true independence. White heavy checkmark final call to action. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your parents, grandparents, and anyone over 50. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on healthy aging, mobility, and independence. Let's make aging a time of strength, not struggle.